Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be making a rub for this Tesco shoulder. Large joint, and we're going to be putting it in an oven and roasting at 180 degrees on the fan. Trying to get this nice crackling up. If you do hear noise in the background, it's just my dog attacking a brand new treat that we got him. Or murdering it. It's a challenge game where he has to move sliders around to get the treats, but it sounds like he's just battering it. But we're going to get right into making the rub, so here we go. So what we're going to be using is obviously some salt, pepper, and the usual kind of seasonings. I'm going to put some rosemary on, cayenne chili pepper, white pepper just because I have it, garam masala, why not, paprika, and some basil, and some hot powder, and to be blended together with some vegetable oil. I'm also going to be using some Lazy Man's garlic. Just a quick reminder, no one's getting murdered in the background, it is just a plastic toy with a lot of treats in it with a hungry dog. It's probably too much salt. But there's never too much salt. There's no measured amounts. What I might do is I might just add a wee bit of acidity in there as well, and hopefully no seeds. Way too much of it. So we've got a rub here, so just don't be scared, just get on in there and just start rubbing away. Cover the meats. Be scared to just get up in there. You know, try and get some in the crack. Obviously remembering to wash your hands. We have I don't know if you'll be able to see them. So all I've done is attach my thermometer to it. So if you are wondering what oven I'm using, Bailey down. If you are wondering what oven I'm using the Samsung Dual Oven, which you just saw me open the top level, so I could continue basically cooking something or keeping the heat on the lower level, and it basically allows you to cook things at different temperatures. So if I needed to cook that pork or maybe some roast potatoes at 200 degrees, I could set the top one to 180 like I have the pork, and set the bottom one for 200 degrees for the potatoes, and so forth. Very good oven. I bought one for the old house and I loved it so much I bought it for this house as well.